Welcome to our YouTube channel Mayank for Tech. I seen 100 plus subscriber in our channel. I would like thanks all subscriber they subscribe my channel. This video is related to technical communication. Technical communication or technical writing are most powerful used in our life. Doctor, scientist, engineer, they are not writing general writing in our document, they use technical writing. In this video I describe how can you use technical writing in our document. Let's get started. Technical communication. What is communication? Communication is the process of transmitting idea or thought from one person to another for the purpose of creating understanding in the thinking of the person receive the communication. The language of communication or the medium of communication for same to both person, to easy to understand. What has been the role of communication in the progress of civilization? As a matter of fact, there exists a relationship of mutual support between civilization and communication. Each has contributed to the growth of the other. The mutual understanding and the support of civilization both are important to a progress of civilization. Next one is distinction between technical and general writing. There are 7 steps generally followed in technical communication, technical writing, email writing and technical documentation. They are, first one is specific and technical content in technical communication, but in general communication general content are used. In technical communication a formal a style of format. In general communication is informal, there is no need to style a format. In technical communication should be objective. In general communication each subject only matter. In technical communication for sacrifice audience, your audience should be sacrificed. In general communication not for sacrifice audience required. In technical communication mostly writing as well as oral, that means you should documented each and everything in technical communication. Oral communication less in technical communication, but in general communication is reverse for technical communication, oral as well as writing, more oral and less writing in general communication. In technical communication technical vocabulary use when you writing some technical document. In general communication not technical vocabulary use. In technical communication simple but effective. In general communication use extravagant word. Next one, feature of technical writing. There are 7 features of technical writing you can use. First one is use for familiar and easy word. In professional and technical writing, instead of the abstract word, familiar word should be used. Second one is use of clear sentence. The writing should place the main idea at the outer. Third one is use of sentence of moderate length, generally a technical skill, or writing sentence of 12 to 25 should be written. Fourth one is use of achieved voice in the sentence. Writing in achieved voice, the performance of action is more emphasized than the receiver. That means subject is more emphasized than the object. Fifth one is avoid redundant phrases. Redundant phrases should be avoided in technical writing. Sixth one is avoid inaccurate expression. Precision and accuracy are two important features of a technical writing. Inaccurate expression may lead to observe that will ultimately more the purpose of technical writing. Seventh is logical division of paragraphs. In order to make a technical document clear and meaningful, thought should be proper arrangement into different paragraphs is used for technical writing. These 7 points are important in writing any technical document. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe Mayank for Tech.